In this tutorial, we will learn how to use weldment tools and create this H-beam structure. And during assembly, we will make this nut bolt. So let's make a simple steel structure in SolidWorks with the help of weldment features. Now let's start to create our structure. First, we need to create our 2D geometry. So I'm going to select front plane, sketch. Now activate line tool and draw one line. Right click, exit. This is vertical line. Now let me define this length, 1200 millimeter. Now this is fully defined, so simply exit and go to weldment and activate structural member. Now I want to apply here H beam. So standard I am going to keep GIS, type H beam, and size of beam or profile size. So here I am going to choose 300 by 300. This is the maximum 101. Now select this one. See, but we need to change angle 90. See, and this is going to fix at center. You will see the point. Say OK. Front plane, sketch line. Draw one line. Make sure these length, any length you can keep, 800. Now I am going to define some distance, 100. This is the gap for plate. Okay. Now exit and go to weldment and again activate structural member, and I am going to apply the same section, same beam, H section 300 by 300 into 105. Now here select this group. Look, just see the profile. Now okay, again we don't need this face, we need to change, let's say 90 degree. Okay, again we need to locate, we need to fix this top face on this line. So we have to choose one vertex. Let's say I'm going to select, you will see there is a one vertex at midpoint. Look, if you select, this is going to fix at this point. I'll show you one preview. Look, say OK. Okay, let me select this face, sketch. Now activate here center rectangle. Right click, exit. Now choose this one and let's apply distance from bottom to end face of H beam 100, because we keep 100 millimeter on top also. Now go to sheet metal and apply base flange. Now here the material thickness 20. Now this is moving inside. You will, let's check. So keep reverse direction. K factor by default. Now you will see here 2 H section and 1 sheet metal. Fine. Okay. Let's create one top plane which is going to weld on this, so that this beam going to fix with this. So I'm going to select this face, sketch, and activate here corner rectangle. Now let's define this length, 200 millimeter. See, now again go to sheet metal X, make this length also reverse, base flange 20 millimeter thick. Say OK. Look, let's hide this all. Now let's make here hole, or even though let's make hole for here. Okay, first I am going to draw some center line. This is important because we need to do mirror many things. Okay, and I'm going to draw one center line at center point. Let me draw here two circle. A smart dimension 16, 30, and the gap between these two 70. Okay, let's create important relation. Now select the center point and select this center point horizontal. Now select both the circle equal. Smart dimension distance from top edge 40. That's it. Now this is at center for this. Okay, center line, and let me select from here to this point center. If you keep cursor you will say here, or let's don't need to do this all things. Circle. Okay, let me define one more circle, the same circle. Now select both the circle and press and hold shift key, select this one also equal. All circles should be equal. Now center point horizontal, horizontal. Okay, even though let's define some distance, let's say 148, it's going to be calculated. Horizontal. Okay, now let's mirror. Now select these two, make sure you selected copy and mirror this mirror line. Fine, again mirror. Now this time I am going to select all circles. Mirror about, make sure copy and select this line. You will see the mirror. Okay, if you don't want to see this relation, simply drop down this eye symbol and here sketch view sketch relation unchecked. That's fine. Again mirror entity. Now select all circle, mirror about this line. Now it seems fully defined sketch. You will see carefully. Go to sheet metal, extruded cut, and here choose up to surface. Not going to through all, back surface I am going to choose. See? Okay. Just check. Fine. Okay, system asks me save this drawing. Otherwise it creates some problem. H beam structure, save. Okay, let me select this face sketch and I want to create some, let me select center point, center line and connect with the center point. Line. 16, and similarly I am going to choose 30 and distance from here to here I am going to keep 50 because this is mirror. This one mirror about, make sure we selected copy. Okay, we need to create one more line. No, we will do one thing. We will create one. Let's make the gap between these two should be, let's say 70. Important relation. Equal. Look, it seems fully defined. Now let's apply mirror. Select both circle, mirror about this line. You will see the preview. Again choose mirror entity. Again I am going to select all 4 circles. Make sure selected copy, mirror about this line. Say OK. Now this is fully defined sketch. Go to sheet metal and activate extruded cut feature. And this case I am going to select through all. Even though through all is not the good decision, you can choose up to surface, select this surface. Now, one support is enough to hold this structure. No need to define plate at bottom. Okay. Now, you can apply one plate here also. So let me select this face, is center. Okay, let me draw one center from here. Center line or midpoint, not center, midpoint. A smart dimension 200, 200. Now press and hold shift key, select both the end point and select center line. Once you leave shift, you will see this option, symmetric. Go to sheet metal base flange and let's extrude this reverse and override default parameter 15. See, 12 millimeter. Let's make is okay. Now let me check our right plane is exactly at front plane. Okay, so let's mirror this. Mirror this one. Now select plane, front plane. Now here choose body to mirror. Select this one and you will see the preview. See, let's select this face, normal. Look. Now here also we need to make some hole. Corner rectangle. Now let's define 135, and from here actually better to make some relation which makes better. Now if we keep cursor at midpoint and connect the midpoint of this line. Now select this midpoint or construction line horizontal. Okay, it seems better. Now this one, let's say 115. Even this is also you can connect midpoint and midpoint. Make sure these line vertical. Look, it seems fully defined, but these structures should be construction line. Activate circle. Okay, now let me save this all. Equal smart dimension 16, extruded cut. Now here let's select up to surface, so let's say back. Up to surface, this is the back surface. Look. Now for support, we can add one plate here. So I'm going to select plane, this one, 85 reverse direction. 80. Okay. Now sketch. Okay. Now let me select this face. Otherwise we need to trim. Okay. Convert entity, activate line tool, and connect from here to here. Now let's make a gap 100. Fine. Trim entity, and let's trim all line. We don't need this all line. Now go to sheet metal base flange. Let's say 20 millimeter, and okay, let's go to downward side. Say okay. Hide. Let's activate mirror, front plane, and choose body. Okay, this is the support for this structure. Okay. Now if you activate real view, let me hide this shadow. Now go to appearance, steel. That's fine. Save this. Now open with assembly. Now here drop down and open. Now directly go to this origin point and click on origin point, and see this is going to fix with origin point. And let me change some background and anything, something. Even though we can change color, polished. Now from here we can apply some material like iron, matte iron, sandblast, cast iron, matte iron. Edit appearance and change the color, something like a little okay. Let me save. Go there. Now go to design library, toolbox, add new. Now here I am going to go DIN standard. Let's say we need to apply bolt. Let's drop down hexagon bolts and screw. 6 hexagon flag bolt. Okay. 6921. Drag. Just rotate. Hole 16, so I am going to choose M16. length, let's say 60, because we need to add some this is simplified. Say okay. Now system asks, would you like more? So just keep cursor and place. Once you keep cursor, you will see this symbol means the hole is exactly fitted. Just click, left mouse, click. See, if I found this symbol, I am going to simply, okay, these holes are we done. Let's come down here. See, these features make the things much better. Okay, here two holes balance. Okay, exactly, we covered all the things. Okay, now it's time to add nut. Go to nut, hexagon nut, 6923. Okay, so from where? Okay, let's start from this side. Just drag, just keep over and face. Okay, that's fixed. M16 simplified. Okay, now system asks, you need more, say yes. Just keep cursor and face. You have to follow the two constraint. On the cylinder and surface. Cylinder and surface. Okay, let's check. Oh, some more here. I am going to fast forward this. Okay, we done. Say okay. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.